Whenever you want to work with Java, you need JDK. It contains different libraries we will need in future, so, to get started with JDK, open Google, search for Java JDK and click on the first link. Now, click Accept and choose the JDK you want as suited with your operating system. For example, I will choose for Windows. After the file is downloaded, go to the downloaded file and install it. It is very simple, just click Next and Next until it is fully installed. The procedure to install JDK on any system is similar. To make sure the JDK is installed, go to the terminal or command prompt, and type Java and hit enter. If you see this, then the Java is successfully installed.